Do you love wearing sheer tights, but they're always sliding down and you find yourself constantly pulling them up? Then this video is for you because I will be sharing one crucial tip that will have you wearing your sheer tights confidently all day long without having to pull them up. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Caroline for Calycious Loves, and today's video I am going to be sharing with you one tip that I have used for the longest time, and this is how to prevent your sheer tights from sliding down. When I was in uni, you either found me in a bum short or in a short skirt, and I always had tights underneath. And there's one thing that I struggled with: they kept sliding down. I would walk like a few minutes and I had to kind of like pull the tights up, like pull them up to the waist. And I have learned one thing, that one of the reasons that your tights keep sliding down is because you are buying them in the wrong size. That aside, it could just be the brand. The brand that I found that works for me is Marks & Spencer. These M&S 40 denier tights are perfect for me. They come in at £8, which is great. They're not even on sale, so if you wait for sale, you might be able to get a bargain. I'm gonna try on these tights. I'm gonna put them on and I will show you how to keep them up, okay? I'm hoping that I won't show you any bum cheeks here and there because I'm not about that life. Let's get into it. Let me move the camera back. This is gonna be slightly different. This whole fit that I'm wearing is from Marks & Spencer. I feel like when you are wearing tights for the very first time, it's slightly different because you're kind of like breaking into them. So just be patient. They might feel a bit tight, but after one or two wears, it kind of like gets better. I always kind of like take off my ring because if I am trying my tights for the very first time, I don't want to have to kind of like scratch them. So I have put on the tights now. I've removed my skirt and they kind of like just come above the belly button for me, and they stay there. They're not too thin, they're not too thick, they are perfect. So for me, Marks & Spencer, this is it. All I need to do is put on my pair of pants or skirt. I don't usually wear tights under any pair of pants, that's just not me, but if that's you, perfect. So how do you keep these up? Okay, if your tights are sliding, the best way to keep this up is find a shaping thong, like a thong in the form of shapewear. For me, this is the easiest piece. It's not too heavy, it's perfect. This is quite stretchy. I got this years ago from Primark, but because it's like I don't wear it as an underwear, I wear it like something to keep my tights up. I've managed to keep them for this long. You've got your normal underwear, right? Because I do wear underwear, I don't know about you. You've got your underwear on, then you put on your sheer tights, right? And you put this on to keep the tights up. And this is how it works. So sort of like you've got 3 layers of undergarments, and this is how your tights will stay up. I know maybe some people will take like maybe an additional underwear. The reason why I choose a thong is because it gives me that seamless feel. I don't want any panty lines. So if you have a fitted underwear that's high-waisted, perfect. I choose high-waisted because the tights come all the way above the belly button, so it needs something that comes all the way up. You can run in this without having to be like, oh my tights. No, none of that. And now all I have to do is put on my skirt and we are good to go. So this is what I would normally wear if I'm wearing a short skirt. Let's say that maybe you don't have a high-waisted thong, a tummy control thong. What I would do is, if you have maybe like Spanx, so these are like really short tights that, you know, make sure that everything is intact. I've got to that age that if I'm wearing a skirt or a dress, I always wear Spanx because I want things in one place. So if you have like a longer skirt or you're wearing a dress that's slightly longer, this would be a good alternative. So what I would normally do is I'll just put on my Spanx above the tights, and I think this works for me. It definitely does. I'll link everything, all the tights here, in the description below. You can get like tummy control thongs on Marks and Spencer, shapewear on Marks and Spencer, you know, to make sure that your tights are held up. If these Marks and Spencer tights don't work for you in terms of staying up, then use this hack. It won't fail, okay? If it does fail, come back to the comments and let me know. And let's say goodbye to sliding tights and having to pull them up in the streets, right? Imagine you're looking good, but your tights are failing you. That doesn't make sense. So share this with your girlfriend who loves to wear tights. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you found this helpful, like this video. It means a lot to me and it doesn't cost you anything. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.